Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off Samsung keyboard sound. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to sounds and vibration. Tap on system volume. Under system volume we can find Samsung keyboard. See. So right now you can see Samsung keyboard sound has been disabled. I am going to enable it. Tap on Samsung keyboard, done. So this way we can turn on Samsung keyboard sound. Later if you want to disable, again come here, then tap here and disable. So this way we can enable or disable Samsung keyboard sound. Similarly you can adjust, you can control screen lock and unlock sound, charging sound, then dialing keypad sound. So this sound we can adjust here, we can control, we can turn on or off. Okay, so please check it.